In this video, let's learn about for loop with else statement. Like we can also combine else statement with for loop, right? But there is no condition in for loop based on which execution will terminate. So the else block will be executed immediately after the block finishes the execution. Let's see with an example here. Let me just take list as L and put here the list called apples, banana and orange. Alright, this is the list we have taken. Now I just wanted to use for loop here and say that for I in L and print I. Now I just wanted to use else statement here and print this is over. Now what do you think I'll get as an output here? I will get output as apples, banana, orange, and this is over. What is exactly happening here? Now here we already know and have seen that like it iterates over one after the other item. Initially it takes apples and print apples here, and then it takes banana and then prints banana, and then finally orange. Now the list got exhausted. Now there are no items left in the list, and it goes to the next called else statement and it prints directly saying that this is over. So that's how it executes step by step. Well, this is it in this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.